How to use Shogun for Shopify. Ever feel like your Shopify theme is holding your brand back? In this year, cookie cutter stores don't convert. Today, I'm showing you how to use Shogun AI to break the grid and build professional high-speed landing pages without touching a single line of code. Let's take your store from basic to bespoke. And in order to start, you just type in on your Google search Shogun Shopify and go to their official websites. In here, as you can see, we'll be given this button, try for free, and this will take us to a Shopify app store. So in here, as you can see, we have a free trial. Let us just click on install and install it to our page. Right, and as it installs, let me talk to you. So instead of dragging 100 blocks, you can just click generate with AI. You will have it here soon. I will start with a trial. And just use the trial and open up the AI window inside Shogun and type in something like this. And Shogun builds the layout, handles the mobile responsiveness, and even suggests high converting copy. Just hit insert, and you've just saved 3 hours of work in 3 seconds. And then the real 2026 power move, theme sections, which is great. You don't build an entire page if you don't have to. Select Create Theme Section in Shogun, build your custom block, maybe a countdown timer or a social proof grid, and once you hit Publish, that section appears natively inside your Shopify theme editor. Shopify theme section in Shogun. Once you hit Publish, that section appears natively inside your Shopify theme editor. You can now reuse your Shogun creation on any page of your site, just like a standard Shopify block. It's the ultimate hybrid workflow. And before you go live, toggle on the A/B test to see which headline performs better. Hopefully this Shogun guide helped you level up your design today. If it did, smash like and subscribe.